Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about radio broadcasting. But first, let me introduce my team members. My name is Aina Aimdi binti Nur Azman. Second is Balkis Sufia binti Abdul Razak Alim. Third is Nur Rashika binti Amirul Zaki. Next one is Nur Yasmin Shuhaida binti Ibrahim. And last one is Nurul Ain Samadi binti Zulkifli. Now we will talk about the history of radio broadcasting. The first radio broadcast took place in 1906 when Reginald Fessenden transmitted music and singing using a wireless telegraph station. In 1919, RTE was formed and helped develop radio as a source of entertainment. During the 1920s to 1940s, radio enters its golden age and becomes a major source of news, sport, music and advertising. When television became popular in 1950s, radio adapted by focusing on music and DJs. Today, digital and satellite radio continue to evolve in the country. Radio broadcasting has evolved through several stages of development. Initially, amplitude modulation (AM) was widely used, where the strength or amplitude of the radio signal is varied to transmit information. AM was the standard for most early radio broadcasts. Later, frequency modulation (FM) became popular. FM works by varying the frequency of the radio signal instead of its amplitude. This provides better sound quality and is less affected by noise and interference compared to AM. Today, radio broadcasting has advanced to digital radio. Unlike AM and FM, digital radio uses digital transmission technology, resulting in clearer audio quality and more efficient uses in available spectrum. Satellite radio is also a form of a digital broadcasting that offers wide coverage and often includes fewer commercials. One of the most common digital radio technology is a digital audio broadcasting or DAB. DAB is a digital radio broadcasting system that provides clearer sounds than traditional analog radio. It can also transmit additional information such as station names, program details, news updates, and song title, enhancing the overall listening experience.
On this slide, I will explain the current practice of amplitude modulation broadcasting. First, AM radio is the widely used for talk radio, news, and public radio. It provides clear voice transmission and serves as a reliable platform for delivering information to the public, especially for discussion, interviews, and news programs. Second, AM broadcasting is commonly used for live sport coverage. It allows real-time broadcasting of sport events, enabling listeners to follow matches as they happen. Also, AM signal can travel much further than FM signal, making them suitable for reaching large audiences over long distance. Third, AM radio play an important role in emergency and disaster preparedness. It is used to deliver emergency alert and critical information to the public during natural disaster and other emergencies. Many AM stations maintain their transmission facility and weather monitoring units to ensure they remain operational when other communication systems may be failed.
Next, I will move on to the current practice of FM radio broadcasting. Firstly, we have a music broadcasting. FM is widely used for music station because it provides high quality audio and minimal noise interference. This will likely attract the listeners to listen to the music station. Second, we have entertainment programs such as celebrity interview and talk show to engage the audience and keep them attracted. And lastly, we have the educational and public service programs. FM is also used to broadcast educational content and public awareness to help inform the public about the important issues.
Next, I will explain what is DRM. DRM stands for Digital Radio Mendial. It is a digital radio broadcasting technology developed to replace traditional analog AM and FM radio systems. There are two types of DRM, DRM30 and DRM+. DRM30 operates below 30 MHz and is suitable for long-distance broadcasting. Meanwhile, DRM Plus operates above 30 MHz in the VHF or FM bands and is mainly used for local and regional broadcasting, offering high-quality stereo sound similar to FM radio. DRM provides several advantages over analog broadcasting. It delivers clearer audio with less noise and interference, improving the listening experience. It also requires lower transmission power, making it more energy efficient and cost-effective for broadcasters. In addition, DRM uses bandwidth more efficiently, allowing multiple audio and data services within the same frequency range. A real-life example is in India, where DRM is used for nationwide radio broadcasting. It improves sound quality, expands coverage, and reduces transmission costs. DRM is especially useful in rural and remote areas because digital signals can travel a long distance while maintaining clarity. It also enables additional services such as text information, news updates, and emergency warning alerts.
Today, I will present about digital audio broadcasting, known as DAB, which is a digital transmission technology used for radio broadcasting. There are two types of digital transmission, which is DAB and DAB+. DAB uses the inferior MPEG-1 codec to compress files and has a data transmission rate of 128 kilobytes per second. DAB+ uses an MPEG-4 audio codec, which is one of the best codecs to compress files, allowing better sound quality, and has a data transmission rate at 80 kilobytes per second, which is lower than DAB. First, audio content is compressed using codecs, which reduce the file size without significantly affecting sound quality. It enables more audio channels to be transmitted within the same bandwidth. Next, it was sent to the multiplexer, which allow multiple audio channels and data service to be transmitted simultaneously over a single frequency. It combining various audio streams into one data stream, which is then transmitted as a single digital signal. Next, the combined digital signals is sent to DAB transmitted, which broadcasting the signal over a designated frequency. It uses higher power levels than traditional analog transmitting, which allow to cover larger area with fewer transmitter. Lastly, listener use DAB receivers to achieve the digital broadcast. These receivers decode the digital signal and convert it back into audio for playback. DAB provides several advantages. First, it provides clearer audio quality without the static and interference often associated with AM and FM broadcasting. The digital format allows for a consistent listening experience. Next, due to the efficient use of bandwidth through multiplexing, DAB can offer many more radio stations within the same frequency range. Lastly, DAB can provide better coverage in rural and remote areas compared to analog broadcasting. The digital signals can penetrate buildings and natural obstacles more effectively, resulting in fewer dead spots. DAB is commonly used in national radio broadcasting and car entertainment system because it can carry many radio stations on a single frequency network and allowing drivers to enjoy clearer audio and access a larger variety of radio stations. Radio broadcasting has evolved from traditional FM and AM system to advanced digital technologies such as DRM and DAB. This innovation provides clearer sound, greater efficiency, and wider access to information and entertainment. Despite the growth of internet-based media, radio remains a reliable and essential communication tool for communities around the world.